The last bargain. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road. Sword in hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. The sun glistened on the sand, and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. By Rabindranath Tagore. The poem Last Bargain is written by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem is about someone looking for a job. He wants to be hired without losing his freedom. The poet tells us that he received offers from the rich, the powerful, and the beautiful. However, he turned them all down. At last, he met an innocent child. He immediately accepted his offer. His first offer came from a king early in the morning. He had more power. He offered the man his power in return for the man's labor. The man felt that the king's might was not worth much, so he refused the king's offer. The second offer came in the midday when it was really hot. An old man offered him a lot of gold in return for his labor. The man was not much impressed. The wealth did not attract him, so he refused that offer. The third offer came in the evening. There was natural beauty all around. There were flowers in the hedge. And then a beautiful girl came to the man. She gave a pretty smile. She offered to give the man her smiles in return for his labor. The man found that her happiness was only sorrow in disguise, so he refused that offer too. Finally, the man came to the seashore. There he found a child playing with seashells. The child offered to take his services in return for nothing. The man accepted the offer because while playing with the child, he was still a free man.